So friends, in your take-home bag, I put a little bowl of gumdrops and some toothpicks in a little container for you. I want you to grab those because we're going to do some gumdrop house or structure building. Okay, you grab your items and let's get ready to start. So friends, I know you might be very tempted to eat some of this candy that I sent home with you. And yeah, it might taste really, really good, but I am going to ask you to please not eat any of these candies until your house and structure is all built and you ask your adults or parents if it is okay that you eat them, okay? The ones that have sugar on them are called spice drops. So they're spicy instead of fruity, and you might not like those so much. So remember, build our structure first and then ask mom, dad, or adults if it is okay to eat the candy. Okay, so you have your gumdrops and you have your toothpicks. Let's start to build. Now, whatever you build is what you build. It's your design. I'm just going to show you a few simple things that you can do to make your structure a little bit different. Now, the first thing you want to do is start by grabbing a toothpick. Now, remember, toothpicks are kind of pokey. Like, you can use your fingers and feel how pokey they are on them. So you just want to be a little bit careful with those. And we're going to start by putting our gumdrops. How about we just put one on each end? Can you do that? Yep, I bet you can. See, and then you have a gumdrop, and a toothpick right in the middle. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by making a simple square. And to make a square, you'll need two pieces that look exactly like this. So go ahead and make another one like that. And then you can see we have two lines of gumdrops and toothpicks. All you need to do is add a toothpick between each of your gumdrops sticks, and then you'll have, what shape do you see there? That's right, it's a square. Now, I'm going to show you another shape that you can make by using 3 gumdrops and 3 toothpicks. And when I have it all done, you tell me if you know what this shape is. I'm going to connect them like this. Connect one like this. Look at that! I made a triangle. So see, building shapes with gumdrops and toothpicks is pretty easy. You can also do this with Play-Doh and toothpicks or marshmallows and toothpicks. Makes a super fun project. So how about we change this up and see if we can make a 3-dimensional shape. We're going to start right here with our square base, and we're going to make one more square base. So we're going doing that together. That would be 2 gumdrop sticks like we made before. And then remember, we put 2 toothpicks in between. So now we have 2 squares. So I'm going to see if I can put this square on top of this square to make a box or a cube. I wonder what I would do next. If I wanted this to stick on top, I should put toothpicks coming straight up. Okay, let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to take my other square and I'm going to set it right on top and press it in. Now remember, you got to be careful because these toothpicks are kind of pokey. Now look at that. I have a cube. I made a box or a cube, or maybe it looks like a house. So now I have another idea. I'm going to make this into a house. I'll see if I can make a roof on top of this. Let's take a look. I'm going to use these gumdrops here. Pull those off. And look, I took apart my triangle and my it makes a roof just like that. I can poke the ends into the top of my cube. Look at that. I'm gonna try that again. I'm gonna make one more. I'm gonna take one gumdrop and stick toothpicks in at an angle, and then stick those into the ones on the cube. And then I'll put a stick in between to make the roof line. And look at that. I built a gumdrop house. So I would love for you to experiment with these, play with your gumdrops, add toothpicks all over, see what you come up with for your gumdrop structure, and then send a picture to me.